Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Zara on VMware workstation. First, go to Linux Mint official website and download. It is linuxmint.com. Click on download or download. Both are same. So click on download. See here we have the three editions: Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. In this video we are going to download and install Cinnamon edition. Okay. Just click on download. See here its size is about 3 gigabytes. If you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on this 64-bit. Or if you want to download by using mirrors, just you need to click on any one of these mirrors. Click on any one of them. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Then click on open. Then click on next. Select the Linux. Then select the version as. See here we don't have the Linux Mint, but select the Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then click on browse and select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware and you can change. I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, just click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the start Linux Mint and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. If you want to use this for testing purpose, just use it and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install Linux Mint, then right click, then select open, select the language and click on continue, select the keyboard layout and click on continue. I am going with the default. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you, then click on continue. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install Linux Mint. Then click on install now. This is just confirmation. Click on continue. Select the region from this old map or you can search here. Then click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. So I am giving user full name as R2 schools and we have to provide the name for the computer or host name. Later also we can change this one. This is the username. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on restart now. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then click on CD DVD, then unselect both checkboxes if these two are selected. Then click on OK. Then hit enter. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Now open terminal. If you don't want to open this dialog box every time, unselect it and click on close. If you want to increase the font, just press Ctrl plus button. Now verify the version that we have installed, more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Linux Mint 22.2 Zara edition and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, now verify the IP of the machine. if config. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, Control L. Now the first step after connecting to Linux Mint 22.2 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Cinnamon edition on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.